Hello, Dr. Kritzer back with you for Advanced Google Analytics. We are now in Unit 4, Part 1, and I'm going to talk a little bit about analyzing data using Google Analytics. Now, we can analyze data by channels. Some of these channels are cost money and are more applicable for the for profit endeavors, but you can also have channels that come from social media, from referrals, from email, and you can also compare your goals and your channels by altering the date range of your report. So this is obtained by clicking on all traffic channels. So, and it can do a multi-channel analysis, telling you how it led to certain goals and how successful you were in achieving your goals. The goals need to be set up beforehand, and you can set up these multi-channel funnel visualizers to see the percentage of conversions from each of these various channels, and with a good visual representation of that. Impact, for example, of your paid services, and see, well, perhaps maybe it wasn't worth the money. Another thing is you can get a time lag report. This one will tell you the longest, how long users take to get to a conversion. I mean, obviously, if you're in a for-profit, you want the most efficient path, or perhaps you're doing something election-wise, or you have a cause coming up, an event coming up. So it's important that this information be available to you. Again, you can analyze your data by your audience, all your users, your new users, and the demographics of your audience, the countries, the languages, the devices they use, the browsers they use. You can filter your audience data to just include active users. Another feature of Google Analytics. You can also have cohorts that you analyze the size, the metric, and certain date ranges, and you can tell by this what's called a heat map. The darker colors indicate the most successful results. The lighter ones, the opposite results. And so some cohorts are more successful than others, and you can do this operation under cohort analysis. Google Analytics also offers something called benchmarking. This is an advanced tool, and benchmarking basically allows you to compare your site's effectiveness with other industries, similar industries. Here's another heat map indicating the best and the worst of these outcomes. You can create a custom report, and we've talked briefly about that in the past, but your custom report can filter things that are just the most important to you, and then you can create this new custom report on what you want to see. And of course, we talked a little bit about dashboards earlier, and Google has many available templates for good visuals, good dashboards, things that you can use for your website, for your company, and these templates are available in public domain under Google Analytics. And so this is Dr. K. Now go back and look at some of the features of data analysis, both on the Google Merchandise site and on your evolving site. And look at some of the supplemental readings I provided for you that have to do with data analysis through Google Analytics. Dr. K will be back at you for Unit 4, Part 2. Bye.